Must have gadget for content creation. So I am buying it for the second time. Let me unbox it. You must be wondering what is in it. So this is the remote shutter for Android and iOS. Let me show you. So this is the mini and the cutest remote I have ever seen. The below button is for Android and the top button is for iOS. It was just that easy. This side switch is for on and off. This blue light which is on is the indicator of switch being on. I have just turned on the camera using this remote and now I will click some photo and show you. So I have clicked all these pictures with this remote. This is so cool, right? I only paid 190 for 2 pieces. If you also want to buy this, then just comment link.